Here we're going to create a snap quiz. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our assignments, click on new assignment, and create your own test. And then here we want to go to snap quiz. Let's upload a PDF you already have. And once it's uploaded, we can start giving it a title and then assigning questions to it. So here we need to assign basically answers. So I didn't mean to click on sections. Let's assign a multiple choice answer, A, B, C, or D. First answer is C, so we're going to go ahead and select C. And then what we need to do is drag that number 1 over that first question, which is actually number 7 on the PDF. For question 8, you'll notice that it's A or F, G, H, I for the answer choices. So I selected a text drop down. That way I can edit the responses. So there I just changed A out to F, so on and so forth, making it fit what question 8 is actually asking for. And then we've got to drag number 2 over top of number 8's number so they know which question goes with which. Going further here, we need to create another text drop down for them to use a less than, greater than, or equal to sign. So we're going to edit these responses to less than, greater than, and equal to. Now, if a student is actually doing this assignment, though, you'll notice in the question that it asks them to use, piece 1 is greater than piece 2 or vice versa. So we need to make sure that that is on the line in that way. So let's drag over question number 3. Now, if you read the problem, it says Ty has 2 pieces of wood. Use less than, greater than, or equal to compare the 2 pieces. So currently, if we like the answer to be one way or the other, we actually need to put in some text that says blank, piece 1 is blank compared to piece 2. So here we're selecting what answer is correct with the idea that we already had that phrase there. So we're going to use the text box to type in the phrase we want to say to make our statement true. So piece 1, blank, 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 and then piece 2. So basically we're filling in it as a short answer. So now we're going to continue on to the next question. So we're going to add our question again. Here we're using a math answer, so therefore any answer that is equivalent is considered correct. However, if you read this one as well, a kid could answer in inches or feet. So I want them to answer in feet, and therefore I have to put that label to make sure that my answer that I give is actually the correct answer. And then to make 11 be the accurate answer, we need to make this say blank, blank, blank feet. And then finally on to the very last question. This one's multiple choice. Our A, B, C, D all line up perfectly, so I can just use multiple choice. Drag that number 5 over the correct number there. And then choose the right answer. So here we found out the right answer. Go ahead and select it as the right answer. And we could have actually added different tags to there as well. So now that's all done, we could review it. In fact, I would suggest going through here, double checking, make sure all your answers are correct. Then we can click on the metadata in order to make sure everything's what we want. For example, I want all or nothing as an answer. And the rest of the things with the yellow marks are premium choices. And go to click assign. So right here we're trying to mark it as a class and assessment. And I do need to put a subject in here. That's why I wasn't clicking the assign earlier. So here we got subject. Go ahead and include math. Now it should all look good. Click assign. It's asking if I want to proceed anyway. Yes. Now I can go ahead and assign it to my class.